Let me tell you what the real glow up is. It's not losing weight. It's not looking younger. It's not attracting someone 20 years younger. It's not getting married. It's not proving your ex wrong. It's not posting the perfect selfie. The real glow up is nervous system peace. It's waking up and not checking your phone in anxiety. It's not decoding silence. It's not screenshotting conversations to send to your friends asking, "What does this mean?" It's not feeling your stomach drop every time someone pulls back. The real glow up is emotional regulation. It's discernment. It's choosing alignment over intensity, because intensity can feel like love. Butterflies can feel like destiny. Chemistry can feel like fate. But peace feels unfamiliar when you've been used to chaos. And that's why so many of us mistake calm for boring. But calm is secure. Calm is stable. Calm is sexy in a grown woman way. And here's what I've learned in this new era. I don't want a man who excites my trauma. I want a man who soothes my nervous system. I don't want passion that destabilizes me. I want connection that expands me. I don't want to feel chosen in a dramatic way. I want to feel safe in a consistent way. That is the glow up. It's not about who wants you. It's about what you tolerate. It's about what you entertain. It's about what you no longer negotiate. And at 48, peace is non-negotiable. I have worked too hard on this body, too hard on this mind, too hard on this heart, to hand it over to confusion, to misalignment, to someone who isn't ready to meet me where I stand. And here's the wild part. When you stop chasing, life starts chasing you. When you stop forcing, opportunities expand. When you stop clinging, doors open. That's why Florida matters. That's why stepping back matters. That's why not having closure, but still choosing yourself matters. Because closure is internal. Peace is internal. Glow up is internal. And everything external rearranges after that. The real glow up is when you realize you don't need to secure love. You need to secure yourself. You don't need to prove you're desirable. You need to prove to yourself that you won't abandon your intuition again. You don't need to be chosen. You need to choose. And that is power. Not loud power, not revenge power, quiet power, grounded power, magnetic power. And maybe that's what this season of my life is about. Not romance, not validation, not proving anything, but living, expanding, traveling, being curious, being wild and free without being reckless, hungry for life instead of hungry for reassurance. Because when you level up your selfie, you don't just change your photo, you change your frequency, and the world responds accordingly.